All right, ladies and gentlemen, there's a few aisles.
I got animal style fries so you can try them.
Heck yeah.
Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey.
I know a place where the grass is really green.